Hello, so we talk about the location, so now maybe we're going to talk about the size of the VM, okay? So the size is important about the what you need for a workload, of course. So you have different type of size, okay, of size. You have, for example, all the general purpose size. So the family, when you create a general purpose, let's say the first size, it's this sort of size, okay? So this is for the size. It's for general purpose. So this is good for example, when you have a VM designed to have a balanced CPU to memory ratio, it's good for testing. It's good for example, development, maybe a small database, but not really big one. Okay, small database and for example, a small website. Okay, with not a lot of traffic. Okay, so this is the first uh, type of size that you have. After we have very powerful VM, and these VM uh, are for compute optimization. So this one is more for compute optimized. Okay. So for example, uh, this is good for let's say high CPU memory ratio. So high CPU for web server, but more strong web server. For example, batch process, or for application server. Okay, this is more compute optimized. Okay, after we have the memory. Be aware that all the information I give you can change because it's a cloud solution, so it can change every day. So after we have the memory optimization, so this is the memory optimized. This is more like for relational database, so relational database, and for example for large cache solutions, or for example for in-memory analytic, the thing like that. This is really the big one. After we have the storage optimization. So let's put it here. So storage optimization is the family of LSV2LS, and this is more for VM to have high disk IOPS, of course, input output per second, and also for big running database where you need strong IO. And after that, we have the GPU. I remember that GPU because my son told me, "Can you make me a test for GPU?" And he was crazy. He just threw his PlayStation and Xbox. No, I'm kidding. So the GPU is starting with N something. Okay, so for example, you can have. Okay, let me show you the site that I have for that. So this is it, and this is more like, of course, for graphic rendering, video editing, gaming, sort of thing. This is very nice. It can be like deep learning. This is amazing. And after the last one is very simple because it's H. H like for, of course, high performance computing. This is very big one. Okay, so this is the size that you must know by heart if you want to pass the exam. Okay, and so this is important to know which one you need. I cannot really help you for that. Okay, this is important. Okay, let's stop for this video, and we'll see after the type of disk that is important for your VM. Bye bye.